Are you bored in adding depths to a closed sketch profile or planar face? If you are, then it's time to level up by discovering Revolve and Sweep in Fusion 360. Hi, my name is Jomarc. I'm an Autodesk Certified instructor, Fusion 360 Certified user, Expert Elite Program member, and a training manager for MechaniWeb, an Autodesk authorized academic partner. In this Fusion 360 course, we will create 3D models using the Revolve and Sweep commands. First, we will create a simple geometry to get ourselves familiarized with the Revolve and Sweep command. Next, we will model complex paths in 3D sketch mode. Finally, we will be creating a fairly complex supermarket cart with the use of Revolve and Sweep command. Join me in discovering some of the practical applications of Fusion 360 Sweep and Revolve tool. Open up Fusion 360 and let's sketch that path and axis in the following chapter.